This training video talks you through the process of developing story structure. Introduce the different colour mats, green, orange and red, to represent the different parts of the story, retelling or recount. Discuss with children when it is appropriate to change the colour of the mats for each section of the story or recount, and how this may influence the sentence openers chosen. You can spend as long as you need to on each section of the story, retelling or recount. You may choose just to focus on developing a strong beginning over a couple of days, retelling and editing, then moving on to developing the middle and end. You may have already planned out the beginning and middle of a story for children to retell, so that they can then think of and plan or predict the ending. Use the feelie bag for children to take random images out at different points in the story to create imaginative and versatile stories and retellings. Once a retelling, story or recount is complete, you can then model the writing of it using the plan to help you. Of course, you can also model to children that even as they write the story from the plan, it is possible to make changes.